There's neither of them were in the wrong. If you think otherwise, you can argue with the wall. Hello, besties, and welcome to my channel. Yes, you are my bestie if you clicked on this video. So, I posted these three reels on my Instagram about the EXO Kitty season 3, and somehow people seem to have a lot of different opinions about it. Me personally enjoyed it a lot, but let's read some of the most bizarre comments that I felt people need to know about and talk about that. So, follow along. I love this very first comment. It says, right when they kissed, I was literally eating bindi and chapati and nearly choked and screamed in real life in all caps. And that will be me if I was eating something at that scene, but I was not. But I did gaps because, oh my god, first kiss in first episode and Minho and Kitty getting back together. That's all we were dreaming about. To be honest, it's expected. They're teenagers, they're gonna have problems, just like LJ and Peter are gonna have their rough spots and break up too. It's true love that actually comes back together and be happy again. I mean, that makes a lot of sense because how they showed Peter and LJ having issues even after all these times, this makes it more realistic and makes us love it even more. And I personally loved that storyline, but people on Instagram seems to have different opinions about it. But I adored it, I loved it. Loved having LJ back on the screen. Honestly, I'm more okay with this one that most not for my emotions because Moon Kavi, but both sides were so easily understandable. I always get both sides, but they are not always both reasonable. This is so reasonable from both sides. They had to do it to grow because they have been jumping around for so long. It made sense. They better not break up them again if season 4 or a movie or something because only once will it make actual sense. I mean, that does makes a lot of sense because in this series, in this season of EXO Kitty 3, I think both Minho and Kitty were reasonable at their own point. Kitty was insecure the whole time because what Minho's dad said to her, but Minho was trying to protect Eunice, so it makes sense for both of their sides. But I personally do not blame any of them for what happened for their breakup because it makes a lot of sense for both of them to feel what they felt in that very scene. And this comment does actually make a lot of sense. Kitty wasn't in the wrong, and neither was Minho. Argue with the wall right there because I truly agree with this. Neither of them were in the wrong. If you think otherwise, you can argue with the wall. I cried when I saw tears from Minho's eyes. I rarely see this guy break, but still you can't blame Kitty on this scene. From her perspective, she didn't know anything. She went to him to explain and apologize once she realized the truth. They are just so cute. I truly agree with this because yes, I never saw Minho was Minho was those billionaire boyfriends who don't feel anything, but he felt everything for Kitty. And I truly appreciate how Kitty, once she knew the truth, she ran to him and apologized because that was the right thing to do for her. But also, I liked how Minho chose himself above her and did not forgive her at the very first time. So both of their dynamics just make a lot of sense in this scene, and I don't know why people hate that breakup, but I think it was necessary. Though I do hate the third act breakup, but I liked it in this. For the first time, this was definitely not Kitty's fault. He lied to her multiple times, and whether or not Minho meant to protect Eunice, Kitty was not made aware of that. Realistically, when someone is sneaking around, you often assume the worst. I get him being upset that breaking up and ghosting her felt too much. Towards the end, I low-key thought they wouldn't get back together as Kitty began to become more confident in herself and move on, but I am glad season 3 ended how it did. That is so true because would feel the same way if my boyfriend were going around sneaking around without telling me.